Welcome to InterBud. This is your practice job interviews with AI. So let's sign up first. It will ask for your name, email ID, and password. Password should at least be 6 digits. Right, so I already created this one, so I'll just sign in. So this is the homepage of InterBuddy. Let's start an interview right now. We'll press on call and the interview starts. Allow while visiting the site.
Hello, Ananya. Let's just prepare your interview. I'll ask you a few questions and generate a perfect interview just for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Got it. Let's start with a quick question. What role would you like to train for? For example, front end, back end, full stack, design, UI, UX?
Backend development.
Great, thanks. Are you aiming for a technical, behavioral, or mixed interview?
Technical interview.
Perfect. Could you please tell me the job experience level?
Junior.
How many questions would you like me to prepare for your interview?
4.
Lastly, can you list the technologies you'd like to cover during the job interview?
Python.
Got it. The interview has been generated. Thanks for calling. If you need anything else, just let me know.
So my interview is ready. Let us view the interview. Here it is.
Hello. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm excited to learn more about you and your experience. Hello. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm excited to learn more about you and your experience. I'm sorry, but I can't comply with that request. However, I'm here to discuss.
Difference between a tuple and a list is tuple is non-changeable and list is changeable. List is used whenever we have to make a change, and this tuple is used when there is not much change.
Thank you for that. To clarify, a list is mutable, meaning you can change its contents, while a tuple is immutable and cannot be changed once created. Now, can you describe how you would implement a simple REST API endpoint in Python using a framework like Flask or FastAPI? No problem, take your time. How would you implement a simple REST API endpoint in
REST API can be used at the point by inserting a URL that can be created by Postman GET.
Thank you for your response. To implement a simple...
Yeah, please continue.
All right. To implement a simple REST API endpoint in Python, you can use Flask. First, you need to install Flask with pip install Flask. Then you can create an example endpoint like this. Python. From Flask import Flask, JSONify request app =, Flask name, app.root, API example methods get, def get example, data =, message, hello world. Return JSONify data if name =, main app.run, debug =, true. This code sets up a basic get endpoint at /API/example. You can run the application and access the endpoint to get a JSON response. Next, what is a dictionary comprehension in Python? Can you provide an example of how you might use it to solve a problem?
List comprehension in Python is a way of initializing a list. It is a very simple and easy to use method.
Thanks for your answer. To clarify, dictionary comprehension is specifically used for creating dictionaries in a concise way, not lists. For example, x**** 2 for x in range, 5, creates a dictionary where keys are numbers from 0 to 4 and values are their squares. Shall we move to object-oriented programming next? Could you explain the concept and how inheritance is implemented in Python?
Yeah, sure. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Inheritance is a concept wherein features of one
Yes.
function is inherited into another function.
All right, thank you for that. To add, object-oriented programming is a paradigm where data and functions are bundled into objects. Inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. For example, Python, class parent, def init self name, self.name =, name, def greet self, print hello my name is self.name, class child parent, def init self name age, super init name, self.age =, age, def displayed self, print if I am self.age years old. In this example, child inherits from parent. Now, do you have any questions about the role or the company?
No, but could I get my feedback, please?
Thank you for asking. We will review your responses and the interview notes. Our HR team will reach out to you soon with feedback. Thank you for your time today. Have a great day.
So this is how the interview ends, and we can view the feedback after reloading the page. And here you see, check feedback. And I've got a 45 out of 100. Here's the breakdown of the interview. You can retake the interview or go back to the dashboard and review your previous results. That would be it. Thank you very much.